Sanbonani. I hope you all are actually doing well. I hope it's in right. So, Igwe, Bafana. So today it was South Africa against Bafana. And I just want to say, within the first 10 minutes, I didn't watch the match. But the German figure, very much and stuff. It was a thing which like Bafana was just having more of a position. Yeah, but I'm just gonna summarize first, and then I'm just gonna get into details. Bafana was getting more of a position. Yeah, and then out of the blue, after we scored the goal, I get by on goal. Actually, I didn't score a goal. It's actually goal very on goal due to pace very quarter. And then after that, in the last minute of the first half, it was just got scored by like into in hands somehow, yeah, boy. And I just wanna ask this, because how come that we don't have like into VAR, but it is FIFA qualification, but the rest of the world is just having VAR. That is the question to FIFA. And then yeah, the match ended like that. I think it was red on like the first half, and then second half, Nigeria for me, it was a thing which where it seems like they wanted it more. So yeah, that was just a summary available of the game. And then, yeah, let's just get to the starting lineups available. Today we're just doing things vice versa and stuff. But before we do that, I just want to say, good, oh, damn. There is a video that like a short that he, like go through my shorts available. There was a video that I made about like Osimhen, which like if he is not injured, the brothers, so Igwe's I just wanna apologize because it was a thing ukuthi vele I thought like it was one games and stuff and like the brother was injured, and then yeah man, it was just a thing ukuthi like in Nigeria vele wanted this match more, but they couldn't like get into 3 points available, and I believe it is actually shy for them. And then yeah, I just want to talk about like this player with South Africa, and I was just speaking with the Giants available and Eskila and stuff. And it was just they were like, nah, it is a joke. Right now I'm just taking it as a joke, but if things they very well, but okay, let me just say first of all, I'm a Chelsea fan, and I be like, nah, TLP. If you don't know TLP, it is Banumbogazi. Yeah, I was like, nah, the way that kid actually plays, he's the same age as me. He's 19. The way like the boy actually plays, yeah, I was like, no, it definitely feel like he's into realism violence and stuff, but definitely like Ngambona like with Chelsea. He's the type of like amateur defenders really with Chelsea that they've been having and stuff. And because I'm just thinking Wuti, but I'm not saying he's on the level yet, really. Definitely he's not on the level yet, but he can just grow gradually available to like the team if we listen to realism violence. But another thing we don't see most of the time, which like especially black South Africans available badlalele vele for the top, not even top for like ama teams available with Europe and stuff. So yeah, and then to the questionations, what do you think about Sinto performance one and only Monyana? But I believe with like the boy had the clean game, but I believe it was like Tinyelo available. As I predicted, was like I'll prefer him, was like the reason for that is because I feel like structure like Bafana, but they prefer available the way Prosalana corner. They prefer ama right backs who actually run up and down. Ama side backs actually both from the left hand side and then the right hand side. And also on the left hand side, I don't know that they took like good PSL or to ban Ubali and stuff like that, which means like I have to work out on myself, knowing more about Swedi Paul available. But let me get back to my point available yeah, to go to why another reason. Started over Umonyana, but Umtunyel is a type of player available, Eli go up, and that is something available. That is it is the same thing. Enzo Obani no muta velema corner. So it was a thing which they can't just change like a structure. Where you just have 5 days with like a squad, and then during those 5 days we are Lala. And another thing is supposed to have my training section and stuff, and it is like my qualification matches, which means which it is important. They don't know also playing against the in Niger available. So we couldn't just experience available out of the blue. So yeah, I believe he was a great choice. The way vele dlala khona iBafana Bafana Mtonyela vele yabo uyanto iyafita with system. And then uMonyane it is a different profile vele, it is a type of player vele elinto elikhatha vele kwi-pace. And yeah, do those type of things vele yabo, but like on today's game we didn't see much value of that. And this goes to the say why they didn't choose like Umunyane from before and stuff. And Umunyane, obviously, I'm saying he's better available, but it was just that thing. I just believe it's like that is actually very a reason, yabo, even though I can then Umtu again didn't get a chance today. And for me personally, to be better, I'm gonna sound such a objective as hell right now, but it was the game very require, especially my because it's a my second half, but it was just a game of like a month. It was just like my emotions about you could see because like asante like tactical and stuff and then we were just giving very Nigeria very type of game very as if now which made us to end up made Bruce actually to end up about what afuna ukudlala ngama counter attack because what I noticed also ukuthi besesinto it was the thing to stay deep we just sting my players are quick, which is why no God available and keep. Because my other was like, nah, why God, including me, I was like, nah, why God available and keep and stuff was not the boy into any cartel available, but I'm keeping because yeah, uBruce bafuna ukudlala ngama-counter attacks udlala deep and more udlala ngama-counter attack you need like quickest players yabo, which is why they also like introduced uSibelebele yabo. I thought uSibelebele is gonna come for like uNkotha, but they introduced uSibelebele just for the person. Then another thing I just want to say, we substitute Renas. I believe like it was supposed to be more alien. So I believe like it was supposed to be more alien because this was the way available safuna ukudlala ngakhona available somehow in Nigeria quality yakhona beseyivela yabo mabantu was attack because it was the game which like sisifuna ukudlala pound to pound nabo yabo. And that's let me get back to my point le ukuthi umuntu should have started because this is a type of not should have started image masenjalo available at the end of at the end of first half vele yabo always mhlawumbe izinto bezingaphinde zishintshe masiqala like i-second half, but it was just the same matter. And those are the type of like ama-matches nakwi-course vele our-injury yayo when was playing against Stellenbosch and stuff nana. So me personal besides kuba like being subjective, besides ukuthi ngibe bias and stuff nanani yabo, I just believe ukuthi that's it. And then, oh man, those boys when in Nigeria don't wanna lie, they are so big, which is why like some but it was a team which we expected them counter attack, but the boys they were just so big and we buy available. When I to but I just wanna also like clap available hands available for like into in the way is like South Africa will improve because this is the issue that we've been facing available all along masudlala like in Nigeria because especially when it's come like to visit yabo mawungabheka like ama players besides mawungabheka like isithombe available in the field you be like nah definitely Nigeria it was like more aggressive in but the balls shout out to Obotile B, which was why I was like nah I need to give like my flowers vele to Pitel B available the way ingakhona lentwana ukuthi yanto ukwazile ukuthi vele abe nale intent le, which is why also I will actually give my man of the match available kuye. And then yeah Foster tried and then yeah I think this was like 50-50, but I believe somehow it's like Nigeria deserved to win this match the way they played because like they have been poor and like right now it was even the thing which like my predictions about they are just favoring us about South Africa, which means which like expected so dominate the whole match and stuff and I need this child but like low quality level even though vele bangakwazi ukuhlanganisa vele lapho nalapha center. And after some time asesithole vele ama yellow card we had like problem. And also I just want to give my flowers to the one and only Umrembula twin and Umukwena available for which like to just like fight for like your nation because the boy had like injured but really was yabo. And somehow I hope God forbid which like I go like into serious and stuff. So yeah, I just believe which it is pretty much it that much. And yeah we're facing another thing like and anything we I'd like but we please like I'm a video. And then yeah let's get to 807 subs to go. And then the next match you're gonna be seeing me. But okay, if we get to 800 about subs, I'm gonna do a build-up match for into le final vele yabo lezodlala vele, and kuthulekile somehow kuba ngathi angidlala i-final ye-MTN 8 because I believe it is this week. Yabo ngize ngikhona ukuba sure, I believe it is this week, but kuthulekile. So yeah, right now i-focus izo-shift, let's get to 800, and then I'm just gonna do like a build-up, ngisho like my predictions and stuff. And yeah, Danko, this is your host VM Football Live. I'm signing out.